What's going on YouTube? You're watching Oscorp. Today we're gonna go open up Astral Radiance booster box number 2. I'm here with my nieces and are you guys in summer vacation now? Yeah, so now we're hanging out. They have no school and we get to play. So this is a new set for them. I asked the girls, you know, if they're looking forward to this. Stephanie says that she wanted to go and see this guy, Typhlosion. What'd you call him?
Eggplant.
Eggplant. I've already had my fun opening them up, so I'm gonna leave it to you girls.
Oh.
All right, you're gonna do one half and you're gonna do one half. I'll be the trash man. So let's get into this box and let's see what kind of hits we get out of it.
Let's go. I don't know if that's how you want to do it.
Yeah, it don't matter.
Okay.
Do it however you want.
Alright, let's go. Let's see if I remember how to open these.
Pull.
It's been a whole 2 months since February. No, 3. I can do math. It's been months. These feel thinner than I remember.
She's been out of practice.
I have.
She's been out of practice, so you don't have to go that slow.
Okay.
But tilt it a little bit, because it got through the glare. Okay, perfect.
There we go. Oh, that looks really big. It's cute. Leafy one.
We're gonna try to go and record this with 51% battery left. Faster.
Sounds good.
Are no bishops in this game.
What?
I'm looking at it like,
Woo! Nice. Let's get another one. Oh.
Yeah, so cute.
that would do want that.
It's just cute.
Let's get something good, Steph.
Alright. Good stuff. Good stuff.
I want trainer gallery. I don't know what you want.
I was just interested in that one hop.
Woo! Trainer gallery!
Ooh.
And that's a good one too.
Do you have all?
Nope.
Nice. Nice.
But
It's got some color.
it's not out yet, so
Oh, really? It's not officially out?
no. Says this video.
Ooh.
So I still don't understand why they put Giratina in here. I'm not Giratina, but Darkrai. It's like, you know, it's all
Yeah.
the Hisuian. You know,
I don't know either.
Like, well, is he?
It's
No,
not a cool fish.
he's not.
It's not a cool fish.
Right.
It's not a cool fish.
How many quillfish did you
It was like
get?
5.
Are you serious?
3.
Oh, you're right. Whoa.
A lot of cool fish.
How many? Look at this. You made like a full house. And it's not even fitting. What the heck? That's crazy. Thank you for all the quillfish over quills.
Quillios.
Yep. In PLA, I hated fishing. Like, all the fish. Pokemon, I couldn't get it. No. It's not working out for me.
Oh, that's pretty.
Are you ever gonna paint Pokemon cards again?
Ew.
It's not even the right region.
Yeah, it's his Galarian. It's the Hisuian Galarian.
Wait, was
Mr.
that
Wayne.
3?
What?
Was that 4, 3, 2, 9? I think so.
Sure.
Okay.
Are we counting again?
1, 2. I can't count, remember?
Hey. Makes it all good for content. Ooh, we got a fuller Eatrin.
Shiny.
That's pretty.
I don't like Eatrin.
Yeah, me neither, but I do like some full arts.
That color is pretty though, like the colors they used on the background for that one.
Oh yeah.
That's nice.
So I've been enjoying the full arts like lately. Like that's been part of my collection. Yeah.
Oh, glad I could contribute one.
Jaya.
I like the
Grassy.
silver border. That's nice.
Yeah.
I remember a long time ago I opened a pack of Pokemon cards. I was like, oh, this card's textured. I was like,
You got another Heatran?
I don't.
Protection.
That's different. I don't know what that means.
So there's
Rare.
3 shinies in this set,
Okay.
and that's Radiant is a shiny.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So you just pulled 2 Heatrans right now, a shiny and a full.
Lava lumps.
Dude,
Lava lumps.
I don't even need him.
At least it's
Oh,
not in
sad.
Labradors.
Yeah.
A little bit better than garbage. Just a little bit.
Shiny garbage.
Shiny garbage.
Special.
It's like slightly better than normal garbage.
Is it at least smell good? Woo! One more? Oh,
Nope, sad.
that's so good.
That's cute. That's Milo, right? Is it Milo?
Yeah, he has no nose.
It's not nose.
Yeah.
Flapple's making up of it for him.
Is that what that is?
Flapple's definitely got a nose.
Isn't it apple of my eye, not apple of my nose?
Never heard of either of those.
Flapple is apple of my nose.
Yeah.
The apple of your Flapple.
Apple of my flapple.
Yeah.
Wait, what's up with all these multiple cards?
Somebody didn't sort this very well.
Right?
Someone give you a lot of cool fish.
Oh, my favorite. Ew.
It's your boy.
Oh my god.
Your orangutan boy, but it's still 4, right?
That's a fuller.
Yeah, it goes with your collection.
It's going into the collection. So I pulled a V yesterday.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that went into the giveaway. I'm like, I don't want you.
That means one of you can get it.
Well, not in this video, because it's going to be over.
Not in this video, but one of you could have gotten it.
When's the giveaway over?
Gallade.
Quillfish. The Lake Spirit cards are cute in this one. Regirock. That's okay, Yuxi was my favorite.
Is that the yellow-haired one?
Yep.
Yeah.
I always tried to catch them in the corresponding balls, so Westford was always the hardest because I always tried to catch it in a Pokeball. A strange ball.
Yeah, so if you bring a Pokemon over from home, and they're in a ball that's not available in PLA, it turns into a strange ball.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh, never tried that.
me neither.
Well, you know.
I do know.
Oh, that's a-
Moltres. Hard. Enter.
having a fun time with all the red ones, huh?
Terrakion. Heal ball. First try. It's like, killed it like over the Pokemon if I tried that. Right through the garbage.
Gutsy pickaxe.
I love pickaxes that have guts.
Ew.
They have guts.
Guts.
Ooh, Lucario. I didn't even know it was in there.
Gario.
Lucario's in like every set.
Alright, last one.
Last pack for you.
Yes.
Oh, cool.
That seriously is giant. Look at that. Look at a guy. And the Magnemite.
Maybe it's just perspective.
Uh,
I really.
Then the guy's really far away.
sad.
Oh, cow. Switch. Alright, Christy, bring the heat.
Yeah, it is really hot in here. The heat has already been brung. I feel like this is really close.
Well, then you need to move this out of the way so you can put your hand down here.
Oh.
Oh!
Whoa,
It's called perspective.
Yeah, like a Magnemite.
Ooh, that's a bad angle.
DNC. What wall do you not look at?
The one behind her.
Yeah, it's always behind me no matter
Well,
what.
at least you're always looking forward, Christy.
Never look back.
Even though there's a mirror that should be pointing directly at that wall, apparently I still don't see the poster, so...
She's not looking back or forward.
Where am I looking?
Everywhere but your side-eyeing
Yeah.
future. I don't actually know how many I got.
I don't even know how many you got.
I feel like it might have been more than 7.
And I did a good part of it for you.
So it's this way. There you go. Yay! What the? But, oh well.
Get a thing.
But you know, I'm pretty happy that they had like that subset again, because you know we do like that double hits if possible. Oh, nice!
It's a hoot.
It's a hootie hoo, and you got a double hit while we're talking about it. Nice. Yelling out for the past several months. And, you know, we're finally getting them, so I'm pretty happy about that. And that's my real chase. You know, you can chase Palkia Dialga all you want, but I just want the subset.
Yeah, they're cute.
Honestly.
I like them a lot.
You know, subset. Oh, Umbreon should be on there. There's a moon, 1 for 1, and then it's an ugly card. Sorry, Oshiyama. I don't like it.
Who's Oshiyama?
The artist.
Should have been
Yeah.
Should have been right.
Did he do the Nicket too? Nope.
Who's he?
He's the shopkeeper. See, there's the shop in the background.
Looks like a
And-
bug.
Him?
Yeah.
Yeah, he looks like a bug.
Balding.
This is little bangs with his poldy.
Yep. And his glasses.
He looks like he's balding.
Is he supposed to look like a Silcoon?
Sure.
I don't know. I've not seen eggplant.
No, eggplant.
Come on, Chrissy. Let's pull the hits. Pull the hits. Pull the
Okay.
hits. Double hits. Should I start the conversation again? You know what I really like about the set? There's a subset, so we could do 2 hits in 1 pack.
Oh, yeah.
Just like this one. Pow! Oh. Pow! Oh. What the heck?
Palkia ate them.
Palkia ate them. I didn't know Palkia had an appetite.
No. It's gotta feel its other 4 legs.
Alright.
Its eyes are on the front of its head. Or the side? Front?
Palkia? Side.
It's the front.
It's prey. Okay, fine. Dialga. Dialga ate them all. Apex Predator style.
How do you know?
I don't know, that's how you remember it.
Sisu. Ponyta needs water. That sounds kind of contradictory. Super effective. Water quenches thirst.
Or Charmander's, like, if you extinguish the fire, they die.
Oh, cool.
Yeah,
So
they're
then,
the fire on their tail.
Mm.
Yeah. So have you seen that one birthday cake? And
Yeah. You wanna kill it? It's like, well, I wanna eat my cake.
Oh my gosh, someone get me that for my first birthday. Oh, Starmie.
Star. Yeah.
Fancy. Caliber.
White cards? It's the white cards that are the not hits?
Yeah.
Okay, all the white cards.
Hit. Oh wow.
Ah,
There's
it's
that
Bug
bug.
Boy.
It's Bug Boy.
Bug boy.
Like, he, like, vaguely reminds me of Weevil. Fuck card.
Trash can has so many Pokemon's packs in them right now.
Like a collage.
Alright.
You paint them, you can turn them into buttons. You can...
It's gonna cost more money.
Or it's gonna cost you for button maker.
My press really does not like that.
Ooh. That's weird. It says Rapid Strike on it. Like, they do that?
Huh.
They do that?
I
Guess so. Alright.
Oh, no, it's 5.
Is it?
I think so.
Where's 5?
Can I not count?
No, that's fine.
Oh.
What do you mean? You didn't count?
Man, both of us can't count.
And yeah, both of us can't count.
That's just sad.
All right, so we're gonna do the recap right now. Christy got 5 hits, and she has a Starmie. We got a Cleaver V. We got Choi.
The Bugman.
The Bugman. And we got a Trainer Gallery Phalanx. Oh, and we got Hootie Hoos. Thank you. I need both of these. I need all these cards.
Oh, cool.
Like, you pulled all the cards that I don't have. Stephanie got 8. We got Galarian Mr. Rhyme. She says that he doesn't belong in this region. We got Lucario V. My favorite, Oranguru, but it's a full art. But the colors are pretty nice. Alright. Look at the way he's looking at me though.
Glaring.
He does. I'm not down with that. And got Heatran full art, and the colors are pretty nice on that one too. This is a double. So you gave me a double. But look at it. It looks pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Looks really cool. Except isn't this like a old school pose?
Yeah.
Right.
Well, I mean, he's kind of doing the same thing there. I think there's only so much you can do with 4 legs and a duck butt.
Duck butt.
Duck butt.
Right. I don't know. We could turn them around or something. And then, so we got the Trainer Gallery Kingdra. I don't have this neither, so it's going to go into the folder. And I don't have Flapple, which is awesome too. You know, I've been filling up the Trainer Galleries pretty quick. How many do I have here
That's
so
cool.
far? 5? 4?
1, 2,
We have 4.
3, 4.
Hold on. 5. And this is the kicker right here. Yes. Garchomp and Cynthia. Don't ever play BDSP. She's gonna kick your butt.
Oh yeah.
All right, so we just blew through that box really quick, and I am happy. What do you think about this box?
Cards are nice.
Which one do you like out of the hits?
Oh, and the hits,
Oranguru is her favorite, guys, just to let you know.
on the one, the ground. Yeah, that one.
So she likes the Kingdra Trainer Gallery card. What about you?
Thank you.
Yeah, so Astral Radiance is good, 13 hits. I would have lost yesterday to Christian. I'm glad I didn't pick this box, Statman. But regardless, I enjoy hanging out with the girls and opening up Pokemon cards. So if you guys can, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you later. Alola. I feel like I need to say something else. Bye.